yoboikiranu kurwase kaunti ya Kisii awase omogoroborero aba MCA kurwase bunge ye kaunti ya Kisii aba waka kura yoku mwaka isiko omo clerk ase county assembly yo James Nyaoga nigo aba MCA 55 baba wake kura yogo itabirana okorwa kwa yabisi ase aba MCA 13 baba wake kura yogo kanere wakwa isiko asinonya nabo chikurebere chiaba chigo sarekago kwa namagega yo wakwa agose yombaro yo munene bwa MCA go itabirana ko mwaka isiko Nyaoga nigo omo MCA bwa diamarani Dennis Ombachi abaga ko gakomochia uwako kwa isiko na tebabuna amamocho aliyabekire nigatari amamocho ayo arengetere gose abwenerete ere wakwa isiko na nigo abegete ekina asekigambiro
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
On the question of the revocation of appointment of Mr. James Nyamira as the clerk of Kisii County Assembly, the yes 55, the no 13, and the spoiled 2, total 70. Of course, the yes have it. But however, honorable members, Section 23, subsection 8 of the County Assembly Act number 24 of 2017 states that if the Assembly approves a motion filed under the section, the clerk against whom the motion was filed shall be deemed to have been removed from office from the date the motion was approved. Means now has been removed from the office from today. Honourable members, of course, having obtained a majority of votes of the members of the County Assembly, as I have said, Mr. James Nyamira, his appointment as the clerk of the Kisii County Assembly stands revoked pursuant to Section 23, subsection 8 of the County Assembly Act 2017. Next order.
Mawosa taisaini akurera office. Tekiagara akaro noni numategera no chiripoti chigotewa ebinde binge ne siasa ya renge ya 2022 kwenda maiga. Ekero twabwata mangana mange gakimu spe James Ongwai bari ngomyoka na speaker kwa kombo na ripoti yote wanajitangarua kwa saidi bwaye lakini akaro kuligereria na wao te akaro neki na wegete koti kere na akare kineke gia jete koti divide kina watu miende human resource manual bache baganda lakini lero na mwara umo chairman yo report iga suspendi manual hiyo koti yo kenyene yatebetenga manual hiyo lero ba na akare kineke gia jete koti divide kina watu miende human resource manual bache baganda lakini